everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma, and today we're taking you somewhere delicious.
Delicious. Oh, I like the sound of that already. Are we going to a bakery? A restaurant?
Even better, we're going to a coffee shop. Key, one of the most common and fun places to practice real English conversations.
Ah, yes, the coffee shop, my second home. I think half my life happens there. Ordering coffee, working, people watching, and sometimes pretending to work.
I know, we all do that. But seriously, coffee shops are amazing for learning real-life English. You can practice greetings, ordering, making small talk, and it's great for building confidence.
Yeah, but honestly, sometimes it's so stressful. When the barista says something super fast, like, "Hey, what can I get started for you?" I panic. Like, what? Get started? Are we running a race?
I know. They speak fast, and they use idioms or casual phrases. That's exactly why we're here today, to help you feel relaxed and ready for any coffee shop conversation.
Awesome. So grab your cup, sit back, and let's go order some English.
And remember, this is part of our Everyday English Conversation series, where we help you sound natural in real life.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell us your favorite coffee drink in the comments.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop. The smell of coffee, the sound of milk frothing, and there's a friendly barista smiling at you.
I can already hear the jazz music and people typing on laptops.
Perfect. Now, what's the first thing you say when it's your turn?
I usually say, hi. One coffee, please?
That's okay. It's simple, but we can make it sound a little more natural. Try, "Hi there, could I please get a coffee?" Or, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?"
Oh yeah, that sounds smoother. Could I please get feels polite but easy.
Exactly. In English, we often use "could I get" or "can I have" when ordering. It's friendly, polite, and natural.
What if I want to sound extra nice?
You can add please or thanks. For example, "Could I get an iced coffee, please?" Or, "Can I have a cappuccino? Thanks."
I like that. But sometimes they ask me too many questions after I order. Like, for here or to go, whole milk or oat, what size? My brain stops working.
That's normal. Let's break those down. So, when you order, the barista might ask, "For here or to go?" That means, do you want to drink it in the shop or take it away?
Oh, I see. So if I want to stay, I say for here, and if I want to leave, I say to go.
Perfect. Or sometimes they say takeaway in the UK and to go in the US.
Got it. So, can I get a latte to go? That's perfect English.
Exactly. You sound like a local already.
What about what size? They always ask that.
Yes. Usually you can say small, medium, or large. Or sometimes tall, grande, venti. That's Starbucks' fancy way.
Yeah, I still don't understand those. Tall means small. That's just confusing.
I know. It's a special naming system. But don't worry. If you just say small, medium, or large, every barista will understand you.
Okay, good. And then they ask something like, what kind of milk? And I panic again.
You can simply say regular milk, please. Or if you want something else, oat milk, please. Soy milk, please. Easy.
Okay, so let me try a full sentence. Hi, could I get a medium latte with oat milk to go, please?
Perfect. That's real, natural English. You could walk into any cafe and say that confidently.
Look at me, coffee master.
Baristas everywhere will love you.
Okay, but what if I also want something to eat, like a croissant or muffin?
Then you can say something like, "Could I also get a croissant, please?" Or, "Can I have a muffin with that?"
So, with that means together with the coffee, right?
Exactly. It makes it sound smooth and connected.
And if I don't see the menu clearly, can I ask, what do you have?
Yes, but you can make it a little softer. What kind of pastries do you have today? Or what do you recommend?
Oh, what do you recommend? That's a good one. Sounds friendly and curious.
It's great because it starts a little conversation. The barista might say, "The chocolate muffin is really popular," or "The almond croissant is my favorite."
And then I'll say, okay, I'll try that. Easy.
Exactly. It's like a mini conversation that makes you sound confident and natural.
So now I've ordered my coffee. I'm waiting by the counter. Is it okay to talk to the barista or other customers?
Sure, a little small talk is very natural. You can say things like, "Busy morning, huh?" Or, "Smells amazing in here."
Oh, that's nice. And maybe, how's your day going? That feels friendly, but not too personal.
Perfect. That's one of the most common questions in small talk. Just keep it light and positive.
What if they ask me something and I don't understand?
Great question. You can say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "I'm sorry, what do you mean by that?"
Yeah, that's polite and easy to remember.
And remember, most people are happy to repeat or slow down if they know you're learning English. They'll appreciate your effort.
True. Sometimes when I say English is not my first language, people are super kind.
Exactly. You don't need to hide it. You're learning, and that's amazing.
Okay, now I hear my name. Jack, medium latte with oat milk. That's my favorite part.
Yes, that's your moment. You can go up and say, "Thanks so much," or "Thanks, have a great day."
Oh, I always just say, thank you. That's okay too, right?
Of course. Thank you is always polite. But if you want to sound extra natural, add a little friendly touch, like "Thanks a lot," or "Thanks, I really needed this."
Yeah, especially on Mondays.
We all feel that. And if you spill your coffee, don't worry. You can say, "Oops, sorry," or "Excuse me, could I get a napkin?"
Napkin. That's tissue or paper for cleaning, right?
Exactly, a small paper to clean up. You can say, "Could I get a napkin, please?" Or, "Can I have some napkins?" Easy and polite.
Now the best part, sitting down and chatting. What kind of English do people use when hanging out at a coffee shop?
Oh, great question. You might hear phrases like, "How have you been?" "What's new?" "You look tired. Long day?" "I needed this coffee so bad."
That last one. I say that all the time.
Same here. Coffee people understand each other.
And if I want to offer something, I can say, do you want a sip? Or do you want to try this muffin?
Exactly. Friendly, simple sharing language. Also, you can say, it's really good, or you should try it.
What if I want to ask someone to meet me at a coffee shop later?
You can say, do you want to grab a coffee later? It's a common and friendly invitation.
Oh, I've heard that in movies. Let's grab a coffee sometime. It doesn't always mean only coffee, right? Sometimes it means let's meet and talk.
Exactly. It's a friendly way to invite someone to spend time together, not too formal, not too serious.
Perfect. I'll remember that one.
Okay, Jack, let's do a quick role play. You're the customer, I'll be the barista.
Okay. Here we go.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, could I get a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure thing. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Any milk preference?
Regular milk is fine. Oh, and could I also get a blueberry muffin?
Absolutely. That'll be $6.50. Your name, please?
Jack.
Perfect. Thanks, Jack. You can pick it up over there.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. That was perfect, Jack.
Whew, I survived the coffee shop.
You did great, and so can our viewers. So today we learned how to order coffee, respond to questions, and make small talk all in natural English.
Yeah, and honestly, it feels good to know exactly what to say. Next time I walk into a cafe, I'll feel confident, not confused.
That's the goal. Remember, practice makes progress. You can even go to your favorite cafe and try saying just one new phrase today.
Like, could I get a cappuccino to go, please? That's my new favorite line.
Exactly. And if you make a little mistake, it's okay. The important thing is you're using your English in real life.
So, go out, get your favorite drink, and enjoy speaking English while you do it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves coffee.
And tell us in the comments, what's your go-to coffee order?
Thanks for joining us today. Learn English, feel confident.
Every day.